On this very important weather day, and you have a lot to talk about in your forecast.
Yeah, the rain is starting to make its way into central Iowa now, a little bit slower than previously anticipated, but definitely raining across southern portions of the state for the lunch hour. Reporting at least some light showers in downtown Des Moines. Temperatures are mild, mid-50s. We've got southeast winds sustained at about 14 miles per hour. Of course, those get much stronger as we head into the overnight hours tonight. We are mild right now. Temperatures will fall tonight and through the day tomorrow. We're in the 50s, but notice the colder air just to our north and west, already at 39 in Spencer. So it gets much colder overnight into the day tomorrow. Here's where the rain is right now. It's basically south of I-80. We've got pockets of heavier rain from Ottumwa over through places like Osceola, Lamoni, Creston, right along Highway 34 here. Pockets of heavy rain. Most of this is just rain. Haven't seen too many lightning strikes, at least for the time being, but there could be an embedded rumble of thunder or two in some of these showers through the afternoon. Our wind gusts start to increase here after dinner time or so, initially increasing out into western Iowa first. Notice as that front comes through closer towards 10 o'clock this evening, winds will start to pick up out of the north and west. These are wind gusts to 50, maybe 60 miles per hour in some cases as we go through early tomorrow morning. So overnight into the start of the day tomorrow, we've got the snow falling and the very strong winds that continue pretty much right through Wednesday. By Wednesday night, notice the winds start to die down here from west to east across the area. So we'll continue to see a pretty prolonged period here of those strong winds, and we could see some scattered power outages as well. Here's what it looks like going through the afternoon. Showers continue through the second half of the day, and they'll eventually work their way into north central Iowa through the afternoon. As the temperatures start to fall closer towards 7, 8 o'clock tonight, we start to see the changeover from rain to snow out into western Iowa. Models have been pretty consistent here with the changeover in central Iowa, probably closer towards midnight tonight. So well after everyone's home this evening, those winds will start to pick up as we're sleeping, and we get into the day on Wednesday. We still have strong wind gusts tomorrow morning with some still isolated to scattered snow showers, at least through the early portion of your day on Wednesday. Second half of the day, much drier, but still windy throughout tomorrow afternoon. So here's what it looks like as far as snow totals. The heaviest bands of snow definitely going to set up into western Iowa, west central portions of the state, into northern Iowa. Metro area, probably 1 to 2 inches, maybe some 3-inch totals there. But the wind is going to be blowing the snow around not only tonight, but also through tomorrow morning. So it will be hard to get a good reading on how much snow actually falls. By tomorrow morning, we've got the blowing snow, slick conditions out there, and colder temperatures. Highs tomorrow stay likely below the freezing mark. So 8-day forecast looks like this. Low 40s here as we go through the day tomorrow, and then we'll keep things quiet as we head into the upcoming weekend.